Hey everyone, we're going to be doing a popcorn experiment today. We're going to figure out which popcorn is going to be the fluffiest and taste the best. So I have three different types here. The first is a control, so that's just your basic popcorn to pop in the microwave. Then we have a dehydrated popcorn. So I put this in the oven for about 2.5 hours at 250 degrees, and what it does, it kind of sucks all the moisture out and dries it. You want to keep it at a low temperature if you're going to dehydrate something, otherwise it would pop the popcorn. So I had it at a very low temperature, like I said, for about 2.5 hours. Then my last one's going to be a hydrated popcorn. So as you can see, I have it soaking in water. It's been soaking overnight. And we'll see what happens with these three popcorns when we pop them in the microwave. I already popped the dehydrated and the wet popcorn. So what you're going to do anytime you want to pop anything on your own in the microwave is you just get a plain old brown paper bag, and you want to put your popcorn in the bag. First you want to open it. Plain old bag. Put your popcorn that you're going to pop in the bag. So every quarter of a cup of popcorn, you're going to use a half a teaspoon of oil. I'm going to use a vegetable oil today. So I have a quarter cup of, this is our control, so our regular popcorn in my brown bag. And I'm going to take a half a teaspoon of oil, pour it into my bag over my popcorn. And you want to give it a shake. But first, you want to make sure that you fold down the top nice and tight. Give it a shake. You can kind of see the oil coming through the bag a little bit. You want to lay it in your microwave flat, just as if you were to do a bag popcorn. And you want to set it for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to go a little on the high side. I'm going to set it for 5, but I'm going to listen for the popping. So the way you can tell if popcorn's done is you'll hear nothing as it starts to spin, but in about a minute or so, all of a sudden you'll start to hear maybe 1 pop, 2 pop, and then you'll hear a lot of popping going on. When it goes backwards to where you're hardly hearing any popping at all, that's when we know that the popcorn is done. So we're gonna see in just about a couple minutes here which popcorn is going to be the best popcorn. So what are you thinking while we're waiting? What do you think happens to the wet popcorn that's been soaking in water overnight? Think about it. What do you think happened to our dehydrated popcorn when I popped it? And what do you think is gonna be our regular popcorn? We'll see. It's popping pretty heavy right now. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So now I just got to pay attention and listen, otherwise it'll burn my popcorn. And everybody probably has burnt popcorn. You know, burnt popcorn, that smell does not go away real soon. So you want to make sure you're always listening when you're popping popcorn in the microwave to make sure you don't burn it. And it's getting slower. I'm not hearing it pop so much anymore. And I don't hear it at all, so I want to stop it now and take it out. Otherwise, you go much longer and you'll burn it. So let's see which popcorn looks the best, and I'll taste them also to let you know which one tastes the best. So this is my control. So this is just regular popcorn. Pretty hot, so be careful also when you open this. So you might want to have an oven mitt or just wait for a few minutes before you dump it into your bowl. So this is our control. And that looks like regular popcorn. To this you can add a little bit of butter if you want. I have some melted butter here. And you could always add a little bit of salt. You could add some Parmesan cheese, so you've got options. I'll add a little bit of salt or any of your favorite toppings. All right, so that's our control. I'll put that right there. The next is going to be our dehydrated popcorn. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna be trying this one. It almost looks like burnt popcorn. And the reason why this turned out that way, because we sucked all the moisture and dried this popcorn up. So it's not gonna pop once you take all that moisture out, so you have to add it back in. And I'm not sure if it would re-pop again if we did before we popped it, but don't recommend the dehydrated one. And then last is our wet popcorn, or our hydrated popcorn. So I'm gonna pour that into the bowl. And this actually looks pretty fluffy. We even got more popcorn than the regular. So let's take a taste. Again, I'm not gonna be trying this one, sorry. That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good too. I actually like the wet popcorn or the hydrated popcorn. So I want you to go ahead and try this experiment at home and see what you come up with, and put your favorite topping on and let me know. From there, remember, we have Zoom cooking every Tuesday, so it's live cooking. I send out a recipe on Thursday, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. I changed the time. It was from 11 to 12, now it's from 12 to 1. And that's every Tuesday, live Zoom cooking with me. And I have my Zoom support hours every Wednesday. That's from 10 until 11 o'clock. And then we have the Zoom videos that I'm making right now. Watch those, get on the call, do the big 5 on the call, and you will be entered for a $25 gift card, either Amazon or Visa. So enjoy your popcorn, and we'll see you guys soon. See you. Have a good day.